Alright, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So the headlights are done. If you watched that video, you can see how I refinished the headlights, removed all the pitting, and overall I'm happy with the result. I just had the sealant cured, and I want to apply my Laminex film, which will protect the headlight from any future damages. But this video is going to be about replacing the grill because I'm not a fan of the chrome grill surround. So ordered the full kit from IND, and they're black, got the gloss black. So I'm going to install those today. So here's a quick walk around of what I have so far. And I was just going to do the surrounds and leave, switch out the slats, leave those there. But my M logo is pretty beat up and a little aggravating for me. Like I said, I don't know. And I also consider painting this. Like I said, there's been a few little nicks and stuff here. And it's kind of like how the headlights looked. It's just a lot of pitting. So it's one of my projects here is to get all of this kind of cleaned up and moving forward, let's get this switched out. Alright, so reading the instructions, looks like there's like a few Torx bolts need to pull up and get that switched out. So I'm going to take those bolts and remove those. And before I do that, I should probably unbox this to make sure I have the right kit. Nice. This is the reason why, mainly because of this, but just these slats look so much better. It's going to transform the car, in my opinion. Okay, let's get them installed. So instructions said to remove this little rubber strip, and that's what I'm going to do. Lay this off to the side. And I'm assuming it's these Torx screws that I need to remove. So the first few are Torx 27. These little corners on the bumper are Torx 25. At least it is for my car. Take my watch off because I don't want to scratch this up. Pop this out. Flashlight. Looks like clips. I gotta pop these clips loose. Sometimes when I'm doing stuff like this, makes me just say I should have spent the extra money, bought the competition package. Definitely doesn't look as easy as they show in the video, I'll tell you that. Now I have room. This next side should be much easier. Okay. Here are your old grills. Back, clean hands. If I had known this being a dirty job, I would have wore gloves, but I didn't think that it would be involved as I thought it would be. Simple. Second grill, and I'll just line these up. Just pop right in. Each one of these tabs had to slide back in appropriately. Push here, and then I can start screwing back in. So remember the two ones that had these two bolts had the 25s, these can go in the corners. So I'm gonna set these in here now. And the rest are gonna be the Torx 27s.